Qatar is known for its dazzling skyline and world-class hospitality, but one destination stands above the rest. Banana Island Resort Doha by Anantara redefines luxury, offering an experience unlike any other in the country. Forget the bustling mainland. Your journey begins with a private catamaran ride across sparkling waters, leaving the city behind. As you approach the crescent-shaped island, anticipation builds. The moment you step off the boat, you are welcomed into a secluded paradise. Golden beaches stretch before you, framed by lush, manicured gardens. The resort's design blends Qatari elegance with tropical serenity, creating a peaceful escape just minutes from Doha. Every detail, from the sweeping views to the attentive service, is crafted for exclusivity. The true highlight is the accommodation. Villas and suites offer private pools, direct beach access, and panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf. At Banana Island Resort, every moment is infused with opulence, making it the most expensive and unforgettable resort in Qatar.